Today we are going to make some adorable Alice in Wonderland box cards. And you can see here what the cards that are available in the collection. And all of these that I'm showing you at this time have been made with the Echo Park Alice in Wonderland paper collection. I absolutely love Echo Park paper. They're not sponsoring or affiliated to this video. I just wanted to give them a shout out because I absolutely love their paper. Pick your favorite of these cards and go to the Silhouette Design Store to make it today. First thing we're going to do is put together the first insert, and you can see here that it has a print and cut tag, but you can also use the heat pin set and foil from Silhouette America to make a lovely gold accent. And now we're going to make the second insert, which is conveniently numbered, and your machine will cut out that number for you directly on the insert, so don't worry about getting them mixed up. For anyone that's having trouble figuring out how to put together their elements after they have all their pieces cut out, just use Silhouette Studio. Go back to your computer. When you pull in the design, it is already layered for you, and as you pull it apart, you will see how it's supposed to layer together when you glue it. So it is pretty simple, pretty foolproof, and fairly beginner friendly. The papers that we are gluing on the outside of the box today are my own designs, and you can purchase this patterned paper off of the Silhouette Design Store under the Alice in Wonderland Tea Party collection. Now that we have the outside of the box decorated, it is now time to make the box itself. So put some glue on that tab and just give it a real good squeeze to make sure it doesn't come apart. Make sure all of your joints are working correctly. Each card in this collection comes with the option of 2 sentiments, and I'm sorry my camera didn't focus very well here, but today our options for this Alice card are "to a terrific friend" or "have a wonderful birthday." Today I'm going to choose the "to a terrific friend" sentiment. Time to put the inserts in, fold all tabs, get a good idea of where you want these elements to lay in the box. And once you do that, I go back to front, so put the glue on the tabs of insert 2, and I like to squeeze my box a little bit to fit it in there, and I make sure it will fold, and just give it a good press, make sure your glue is adhered. And this can be a little tricky, so it might take a little practice. I like to use regular Elmer's glue for this part, especially because it gives me a little bit of time to fix it if I make any mistakes. But you can, of course, use a glue runner or any type of glue you like here. There's your card, perfectly made, ready to give to a family member or friend. And here are all the other cards in the collection once again. Thank you so much for creating with me today, and I hope you check out this collection at the Silhouette Design Store. And if you want to make any purchases from Silhouette America, don't forget to use my affiliate code by Catherine Spencer for an extra 5% off. Thank you so much, and have a great day.